everybody, welcome back to the channel. I thought we'd take a minute today and talk about the latest round of upgrades for my 2011 Camaro, and that is to the exhaust system. Pictured here is the factory exhaust system that I've had on the car for a while, which has these cutouts on it. Obviously those are manual cutouts, and while it was convenient to be able to close those on a long highway drive at times and run through the really quiet factory exhaust system, it's very heavy. It's approximately, 50 pounds of weight, what you see pictured there. And this car needed to go on a diet. So I chose these Herfurth racing mufflers. These are made out of aluminum. They're really nicely put together and welded. They're V-banded. They come with the V-bands. This again is the race style muffler, which has this really aggressive straight through core. Designed for maximum flow. So we went ahead and pulled the factory axle back off the car, welded in the V-bands, and fabricated a hanger. You can see the clearance is pretty good. The pinion on the 9-inch setup in the car it sits really low, and so that makes the drive shaft really low. So we were trying to get everything as close as we could for adequate ground clearance, and we ended up with a pretty good amount of that, as you can see pictured here. And the weight reduction is awesome. Like I said, that's about 50 pounds, and of course the exhaust sounds absolutely incredible. Take a listen.